Welcome to an in-depth look at Lunaproxy, a powerful solution designed to revolutionize e-commerce operations for businesses worldwide. Lunaproxy offers a robust network of over 200 million residential IPs, ensuring high anonymity and reliable connections across 195 countries. This extensive global coverage makes it an invaluable tool for e-commerce professionals seeking to enhance security and streamline online operations. One of Lunaproxy's key applications is facilitating comprehensive market research and competitive analysis. By leveraging its vast IP pool, businesses can gather critical data and perform web scraping without detection, gaining insights into market trends and competitor strategies. Automated price monitoring is another crucial benefit, allowing e-commerce businesses to stay competitive by tracking competitor pricing in real time. This ensures optimal pricing strategies, helping to maximize sales and profitability. Ad verification is also significantly improved with Lunaproxy, ensuring that advertisements are correctly placed and preventing ad fraud. This protects marketing budgets and maintains brand integrity across diverse online platforms. Furthermore, Lunaproxy enables businesses to bypass geo-restrictions, opening up global markets and reaching customers in previously inaccessible regions. This global access is vital for expanding an e-commerce footprint and tapping into new revenue streams. Enhancing data security and privacy is another core advantage, as Lunaproxy masks IP addresses, protecting sensitive business information. This ensures that online activities remain confidential and secure from potential threats. Lunaproxy offers a variety of proxy types, including residential, ISP, data center, and mobile proxies, catering to diverse business needs. The benefits extend to a large IP pool, global coverage, high anonymity, flexible pricing models, and dedicated 24/7 customer support. While comparable to services like pyproxy.com, Lunaproxy often proves more cost-effective for smaller, targeted tasks. However, for high-speed, large-scale scraping operations, pyproxy.com might be a more suitable option. It's crucial to emphasize the ethical use of proxies, which includes respecting robots, TXT protocols, and implementing rate limiting. Compliance with all relevant laws and regulations is paramount to ensure responsible and sustainable online operations. In summary, Lunaproxy provides e-commerce businesses with the tools needed to navigate the complexities of the digital marketplace effectively. From market research to ad verification, its extensive network and robust features empower businesses to achieve their online goals. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to explore how Lunaproxy can transform your e-commerce strategy.